Good morning. All right, talking about taxes today. So, we get a lot of questions about taxes and wanting to save people money on taxes, and a lot of comments regarding that their CPA really isn't trying to save them money. There's really no strategy involved. It seems like they're just doing their tax return. They get their numbers at the end of the year, plug them in, and then that's it, and there's no further communication. So I want to talk a little bit about the differences between tax preparation, tax planning, and then implementation. So tax prep is basically a review of an individual or business activity during a taxable year, um, completing the required tax forms and filing those tax forms with the appropriate tax authority in accordance with their regulatory requirements. So most people have to file with the IRS and the state that they live in or work in. And it's taking their activity during the year, putting that on a form and getting that filed in accordance with their regulations and their laws. Most returns, probably 99.999 returns, are going to have some kind of errors in there. It's not the goal to be perfect on this. There are over 70,000 pages in the tax code. So it's very difficult to be perfect at filing all tax returns. But the goal is to prepare the returns as accurately as possible with very minimal immaterial errors. So the smallest dollar amount of errors possible. The goal is not to reduce taxes. So when you hire someone to prepare your tax return, please remember that the goal of that person is not to reduce your taxes. It's to file those your taxes accurately with the correct authority. So the most opportunities for maximizing tax savings is going to happen during the planning stages. This is a proactive approach. So this is not something that happens on April 1st, 15 days before you're supposed to file your tax returns. This is an advanced proactive approach to save you money in taxes. So what we do here is take a full analysis of an individual's life, their business life, and get them to a better state than they are today. So again, there's 70,000 pages in the tax code. We're not going to be able to come up with every single tax strategy that would be available to you as an individual or a business, but to get you to a better state than you are today and save you more money than you're currently saving now. So then with that, with the tax plan, we come up with all the ideas, we find all the opportunities that are available to you. We put together a plan for you on how you can go about saving X amount of money. Then comes the implementation. The implementation is when we take those ideas, the ones that you like the best, the ones that you want to move forward with, and we implement them. We put them into action. And so it could be that our tax plan has 8 strategies in it, and maybe we only end up implementing 3 of them. So we would take those ideas and put them into action right now. And it could be that next year, maybe we implement a couple more. As we get into the tax plan, get to know you and your business more, new tax codes come out, more opportunities come available, we'd want to revisit that tax plan, see if there's any additional strategies that we can add, follow up on the implementation. Maybe making sure that we're staying in line with what the tax code says as it's changing. So there's definitely a difference between tax preparation, tax planning, and then implementing the tax plan. So I hope that you found that useful today. If you are looking to get a tax plan together, reach out to us so we can talk about that proactively before April of 2021 would be ideal. And it could be some things that we could go ahead and put in place in 2020 before you even get to filing those taxes for 2020. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.